students, today I am going to explain you first lesson of supplementary reader class 10, A Triumph of Surgery, which is written by James Herriot. First of all, let me give you the introduction of characters. So first one is James Herriot, and James Herriot is a vet doctor, and he proved to be a very good doctor, and he was very wise doctor. He was an animal lover. And the next character is Mrs. Pomfrey. She was a wealthy, rich single woman, and she was also fond of her dog. And the third character is Tricky. Tricky is a dog, which is a fat, lazy dog. Now, let me tell you about the title, Triumph of Surgery. What is the meaning of Triumph of Surgery? Triumph means victory. But here I would say it's not victory, actually it is a successful surgery, which is believed to be performed by James Herriot, but actually it was never performed. So let me tell you what was the surgery, why it was done, was done. So let us start. So in this lesson, what happens? One day Dr. Herriot, he saw Mrs. Pomfrey and Tricky. They were walking down the street, and doctor observed from his car that Tricky was simply going down, and he thought that the dog had turned very fat, and it was looking as if some sausages. So sausages is a kind of meat, and what happens, he also observed that it lacked energy also, even it was not able to move properly. So he suggested Mrs. Pomfrey that he should stop giving extra food, or whatever she was giving, she should not give. And he also suggested to give him exercise daily, and that dog should be given a strict diet so that his health would improve. Now, Mrs. Pomfrey, on the other hand, she promised that she would all take care of all these things, and she went back to her home along with Tricky. Now, what happened after a few days, after a couple of days, she observed that Tricky had even stopped eating any kind of food, and moreover, it started vomiting also. And what happened next day? Mrs. Pomfrey, she called Dr. James Herriot, the same doctor which she had met earlier. Now, James Herriot, he also suggested that this dog should be hospitalized, as it was not eating, and it should be kept for at least for 15 days. Listening at all the things, what happened, Mrs. Pomfrey, she was having tears in her eyes, because she really loved her dog very much. She didn't want that her dog should be away for 15 days, but somehow she managed, and she thought that her dog would be well. So that is why she sent her dog to James Herriot. Now James Herriot, he took the dog, he kept that dog into his car, and he brought this dog into his hospital. And now what happened, she gave so many things also along with the dog, which she felt that would be very important. She gave blankets, rugs, bowls, coats, etc. for her dog. Now what happened, now Tricky was in the hospital, and James Herriot was taking care of that dog. Now doctor, actually what he did, first of all he gave him plenty of water, and after that he observed that now he was feeling full of energy, the dog was feeling full of energy. And now next day what he did, he earlier some other dogs which were there, they were not like looking at each other, but what happened after some days, that dog, it became familiar with other dogs, and now that Tricky also started playing with the other dogs. Now after some days, Mrs. Pomfrey, she called doctor, and she was asking about her dog. Now she wanted to know what had happened, means whether her dog was recovering or not, as she was also suffering from the pangs, that is her dog was away from her for so many days. Now she came to know that the dog's health was improving. So, thinking about all the things, she sent some more things like food items, wine, and brandy for Tricky. So, what happened? James Harriet, he did not give all the things to Tricky to eat. Rather, he himself ate all the things, consumed all the things, and his partner also enjoyed those things. Now, after some days, Tricky was completely well, it was completely fit, and now he could be sent back home. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey again, she came there, she wanted to know about her dog. Now, what happened? James, he brought Tricky and gave to his mistress. And what happened? Now, Tricky was also very happy, and he went and he sat into the lap of his mistress, and that dog started licking her face, and it was moving its tail. And Mrs. Pumphrey, she was very happy, and rather she thanked the doctor for what? For the triumph of surgery, because she thought that there was some surgery performed by that vet doctor, and that was the reason behind the proper healthiness of its dog.